Четвертый класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Теперь я знаю. Страница 21, 22, 23. English. Spotlight 4. Homework. Now I know. Page number 21, 22, 23. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 21. 21. English-speaking countries of the world. Spotlight on English-speaking countries. Exercise number 1. Look at the pictures. Match the capital cities to the countries. Use the UK, Ireland, the USA, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Washington, Wellington, London, Canberra, Ottawa, Dublin. Англоговорящие страны в мире. Посмотрите на картинки. Соотнесите столицы и страны. Используйте Великобритания, Ирландия, США, Канада, Австралия и Новая Зеландия. The answer. Washington is the capital of the USA. Wellington is the capital of New Zealand. Canberra is the capital of Australia. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Dublin is the capital of Ireland. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. How much do you know about English-speaking countries? Do the guess and find out. Что ты знаешь об англоговорящих странах? Ответь на вопросы викторины. Which country doesn't belong to the UK? Ireland. Montreal, Toronto, and Vancouver are cities in Canada. Sydney, Melbourne, and Adelaide are cities in Australia. Auckland, the city of sails, is in New Zealand. Where is Big Ben? London. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 22. 22. Now I know. Vocabulary. Exercise number 1. Choose the correct word. Watch, clock. Mobile phone, camera. Hat, helmet. Hairbrush, keys. Rollerblades, shoes. Gloves, coat. Теперь я знаю. Словарик. Выбери правильное слово. The answer. Mobile phone, helmet, hairbrush, rollerblades, gloves. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Look and write. Swim. Посмотри и напиши глагол соответствующей картинке. The answer. Sail, skate, dive, ski. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Write the numbers. Напиши числа. The answer. 60, 30, 95, 100, 81, 50. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Grammar. Read and choose. She is carrying the box of chocolates. Прочитай и выбери. The answer. He is a great cook. He can cook really well. Look, Mary is dancing. Can you ride a bike? Harry and Tom are sleeping. They are in the garden. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 23. 23. Exercise number 5. Complete. On, in, next to, behind, under. Вставь предлоги на, в, возле, за, под. The keys are on the table. The mobile phone is under the table. There are rollerblades next to the chair. The helmet is behind the box. The camera is in the box. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 6, communication. Read and match. Общение. Прочитай вопросы и подбери к ним ответы. The answer. What does she look like? She is tall and slim. How old is your mother? 36. Is your uncle from England? No, he isn't. Have you got my CD? No, it's on the shelf. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 7. Reading and writing. Look, read, and say yes or no. Чтение и письмо. Посмотри, прочитай и скажи да или нет. The answer. Wendy is singing. No. Jack and Steve are playing. Yes. Kathy is dancing. Yes. John is sailing. No. My dear friends, we must do the task. Now I can. Теперь я умею. Name personal items. Talk about location. Talk about activities. Say numbers from 30 to 100. Talk about appearance and character. Write about actions happening now. The answer. Talk about appearance and character. Goldilocks has got blue eyes. She's got golden curls. She is very kind and friendly. Goldilocks is a good friend. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.